Like same.
The momentum is same,
Not moment, like their impact, collision force.
not proper.
Then how to say it, man?
Yes,
Their
others.
momenta is conserved.
Momenta is conserved. That means, yes, Prithvi.
Total momenta of both object after collision will be equal to the total momenta of both uh, like before.
Before and after collision, the total momentum of both the objects will be equal.
Equal.
Okay.
What is the date today, ma'am?
9th, I think so.
Oh, thank you.
A 20-gram bullet is shot from a 5 kg gun with a velocity of 500 meter per second. What is the speed of the recoil of the gun? Speed of recoil of the gun we have to calculate. That means here the two objects have been interacted. That is, one is bullet and one is gun. So here bullet and the second one is gun. So there are two objects. So first one write as bullet and the second one write as gun. So bullet is mass m1, initial velocity u1 and the final velocity v1. We need to write it down. Gun is mass m2, u2, initial velocity and the final velocity we have to mark it as v2. So what is the mass of bullet? 20 gram. Then what is the initial velocity of the gun, a bullet?
0.
0.
0. Final velocity, a 20-gram bullet is shot from a 5 kg gun. So this is 5 kg. Gun's mass is 5 kg with a velocity of 500 meter per second. So that means the final velocity of the bullet is
500 meter per second.
500 meter per second. Initial velocity of the gun is
0.
0. Velocity of V2, velocity of the
We don't
gun,
know.
we have to calculate. This is we have to calculate. Here it is, this is in gram. Gram is not a SI unit, so we have to convert into kg.
0.02.
220 by 1000. So that means 2 by 100 kg. Keep it in fraction. If it might be sometimes easier for the calculation.
Yes.
We use law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. It tells that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So it is u1 is 0, so this product is 0. u2 is also 0, so this product is also 0. So what is m1? 2 by 100 into v1 is 500. So it is easier for us. So m2 is 5 kg, v2 you have to calculate. So this get cancelled. So 5 2s are 10 plus 5v2 is equal to 0. So this is 10 will go that side. Minus 10 is equal to 5v2. So minus 2 is equal to v2. So what is the speed of gun?
Minus 2 meter per
Min-
second.
2 meter per second, ma'am.
So speed of the gun,
Recoil is 2 meter per second.
recoil velocity. Speed of the gun or recoil velocity is equal to 2 meter per second. Minus 2 will tells the direction. So it has
Yes,
moved
ma'am.
back. So therefore it is minus 2. It's clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how is the velocity of the gun 2 meter per second when final velocity of the gun is minus 2?
What? Yeah, that's what just now I told you. You're not hearing properly, I think so. Just now I told minus what is a minus sign means.
Ma'am, direction.
There's a direction. Minus will sign will tell you the direction. So it has moved backwards. Bullet has moved forward, the gun has moved back. And therefore
Okay.
velocity we are telling. So velocity depends on the direction. So he has moved backwards, so therefore it is negative.
Ma'am, is it the same with displacement? If
Velocity,
if
yeah.
a goes back, then it
Yes.
will be negative.
Bullet is moving forward, so its velocity if it is taken positive. Then the gun's velocity is moving back. Gun is moving backwards, so its velocity will be negative.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Everyone clear this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down then.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the motion test, ma'am, can you upload the answers, ma'am?
Yeah, I need to send you. I forgot.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, today
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll do that one. If some of the students, 1 mark will increase. Some of the students. I have taken one value wrong, so that's the reason my values were wrong.
For which question?
It
Which
is last
question?
question D. Last question D part.
What is D?
Yeah, D part. 12th D question. It is 40 by 3, 13.33. Whoever has got answer, that is right.
Yes, ma'am. Even I have got that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Even I got
minus
13.
13.33.
Yeah,
Correct.
13.33 it is.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
That one I have given wrong, so that I will correct and send you today. Done this question?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, we are supposed to write the question also, right?
Obviously.
Yeah.
Solve this question then.
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes for us to write the question?
I'm telling you to solve. I'm not solving.
And the initial velocity itself is 200, right? 400 meters per second.
No, that is not initial. That is why
That's
final.
final.
Yeah, always they are when they are interacting. And before that, what was the speed? When gun is firing the bullet, so before that means the fired is a collision. When it is fired, means collision has taken place. So before that, what was this one? What was the
Okay,
speed
ma'am, got
of
it.
gun and this one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Could you please once scroll it up just for a minute? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it 4 by 5? Ma'am,
Nitin, you have to log out and log in. Yes, what happened?
is it 4 by 5?
Is it 4 by 5? I need to solve. I don't have solutions. I will solve and tell you one second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the test, the 12th main D1, I had written minus 40 by 3.
Yeah, that is the right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 0.8.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got 0.8 meter per second.
Yes, ma'am.
Same.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
it is 4 by 5, 0.8.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear you till now. Can you please repeat what you just told? I think computer audio didn't join.
That is what you are. This one has been solved. Only solving numericals we are doing. We are solving
Ma'am,
numericals.
that question I heard, ma'am. After that, suddenly it just left, ma'am.
Yeah, that is only nothing. This is the second question I told to solve.
Ma'am, we have to solve, no, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have not solved. Someone says mic is not muted. It's unmute. Everyone got the answer of second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
0.8.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it 0.5?
0.8.
Okay, I'll just check.
Third one is 0.5.
Yes, ma'am. 0.5 meter per second.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Could you just scroll up for just 1 second? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you stay there for 2 minutes? My screen was blank. Just now it came. It's all seen. On to the first question.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Please, ma'am.
Fourth one is 10 by 3.
Ma'am, is the fourth one 3.3 bar?
Fourth one. Third one?
Third one done, ma'am. 0.5.
Yes, ma'am. Done. 0.5
5 meter per second.
0.5. And
0.5 meter per second.
third one is 0.5. Everyone are getting the answers or not? Check and tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm doing the fourth one.
Fourth one was the answer, Magvi?
3.3 bar meter per second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
10 by 3.
Good. Fifth is tricky.
Ma'am, fourth one I'm getting, yeah, same answer.
Ma'am, For the third one, I'm getting 2 meter per second.
No. Other students have got, that means that might be right. Why you got 2 meters? What happens? A bullet of mass 50 gram. So have you converted that into kg?
Ma'am, the third one, it's 10 gram.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 by 2, that is 0.5. That is right. What you got?
I got 2 meter per second.
2. No. It is 10 grams.
I got 0.5 meter per second.
Ma'am, even I got 2.
Ma'am, I got 2.5.
2.5. Everyone different answers.
No, ma'am. I got.
Why it is so? So here initial part is 0. M1 V1 plus M2 V2. So M1 is 10 by 1000 into V1 is 300 plus M2 is 6 into V2. So these 3 zeros get cancelled. 3 minus 3 is equal to 6 V2. So minus 3 by 6 V2. So 1 by 2. So V2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is minus 0.5.
Is the fifth one 4.44 meter per second?
Let me check.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like, can we just like draw that bullet and then gun, and then can, instead of writing the question, can we just write whatever is given over there? Like one column bullet and other column gun, and then write whatever they have given. That's enough. Instead of writing the question, can we do that?
Fine.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is the fifth answer 4.4 bar meter per second?
She also get the same
Ma'am,
answer.
I got the same answer.
Ma'am, so is it correct?
Yeah, I'm checking, Rashri. I'm solving.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you solve the next one then. Tell me.
Ma'am, is the fifth answer 4.4 meter per second?
Yeah, everyone right? Everyone right? That is 4.44 meter per second. Is the right answer. So it was, in this case, U1, U2 are different. In this case, this is U1, this is not V1. Bullet, and it has interacted. We are not considering about the interaction between the gun and the bullet. It is the interaction between bullet and wooden block. When the bullet has stuck into the wooden block, that part we are learning, considering. So here the mass is 10 gram M1 and the initial velocity is 400 meter per second. Final velocity is 0 when it is stuck. They have told suspended in this one. Embedded in a freely. It gets embedded. That means it is final velocity is 0. Here there is no movement of gun and bullet is given. They have given bullet is moving and stuck into this wooden block.
Okay, ma'am.
So at that time, it is already moving. So it is moving with a velocity of 400 meter per second. And then it is embedded. That means it remains there. So final velocity is 0. So M2, 900 gram. Initial velocity, 0. Final velocity, it has moved backwards because the bullet moves inside. So it has moved some distance back. So that is, you have to calculate. And then do the calculation.
Ma'am, is the sixth one 4 meter per second?
Ma'am, I'm getting 40 meter per second for sixth one.
Let me do. Heavy car of mass 200 kg traveling at a speed of 10 meter per second. Head-on collision with the sports car B 500 kg.
Okay, ma'am, it's 4. It's 4.
It's 4. Meter per second is the answer.
Ma'am, 4 meter for the sixth question, no, ma'am.
Sixth one is 4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, the sixth one, ma'am.
Slowly, Vidyut, slowly.
Yeah.
Somewhat slowly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the sixth one,
Yes.
ma'am, like when they collide means V is 0, right?
Both cars stops dead on colliding. Proper.
So both of them V velocity is 0, right?
Yes. Final velocity of both of them is 0.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got minus 0.5.
Ma'am, I got 0.5.
Even I got 0.5, ma'am.
Seventh one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got that was right. That's right answer.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the seventh question.
Why?
Ma'am, meaning I didn't understand which one to take, M1, V1. I got confused. I'm suddenly I forgot everything. Ma'am, can you please tell this one question?
A girl of mass 50 kg jumps out of a rowing boat of mass 300 kg. So what
Ma'am,
two objects you got to know?
Ma'am, I know that
Do you
mass.
understand the two objects interaction? Two objects is interaction you got to know.
Yes, ma'am.
What are those two objects?
Ma'am, the boat and this one. No, ma'am, 1 second.
The girl and the boat.
Yes, ma'am, girl and boat.
The girl's mass is given, boat's mass is given, m1, m2 you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Onto the bank with a horizontal velocity of 3 meter per second. So that means initially it is constant. Before interaction, the boat and the girl was constant. She is standing in the boat.
Yes, ma'am.
He moved out with a velocity of 3 meter per second.
Ma'am, so the girl's final velocity is 3
3
meter
meter per second. Final velocity of boat you have to calculate.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a small request, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's
Ma'am, can you hear
Sahil, 1 second. Sahil, 1 second. Wait.
Ma'am, can you scroll up a bit? I want to
me, ma'am?
Ma'am, is the
Ma'am,
8
so in our
42.5?
apartment, they told.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, yes. Sahil, now tell me what's the problem. Sahil, are
What
you there?
happened was my mom came from somewhere outside, ma'am. So, yes, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, actually, what happened was my mom came from somewhere outside, ma'am.
Okay.
So today I cannot go for buying the books, ma'am. So can you just can you just can you when should I go and get the books,
Anytime
ma'am?
you can get it. It is not that mandatory that is today only you have to take the book. Anytime in the evening you will go and collect it.
Yes, ma'am. Like I can go it next Thursday, no, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please solve the 7th one? I'm not getting it, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you solve the 8th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth
Can
one,
you solve
yes,
8th
ma'am.
one?
8th one is something I'm getting.
7th one, can you solve, ma'am?
Ma'am, 8th one I'm getting as 42.5.
Let me check. Here what happened with yours? M1 50, M2 300, U1 0, U2 0, V1 3, V2 can you calculate?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Truck of mass 2500 kg moving at a 15 meter per second collides with the car of mass 1000 kg moving at 5 meter per second in the opposite direction. What is their common velocity? That means they have dragged together in one direction, both of them. So their common velocity, that means they are moving with the same velocity. So here M1 is 2500 kg, U1, this is a truck, and this is a car. M2 is equal to 1000 kg. U2 is equal to 5 meter per second. U1 is 15 meter per second. They are moving with a common velocity, that's both of them velocity is v. Then find out. M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. M1 is 2500 into 15 plus 1000 into 5 is equal to 2500 V plus 1000 V, because after that they have the same velocity, therefore VV is there. Simplify this. 2500 into 15 is 37500
37,500.
is 5000. That is equal to, add them, they are the like terms. So 3500 V. So this will be 42,500 divided by 3,500 is equal to V. This get cancelled. 5 sevens are 5, 8 fives are. So 85 by 7 is equal to V. That is equal to 7 ones are 7 twos are 15, 1, 7 ones are 10, 7 ones are 30, 7 fours are 1, 4.
And I got this answer.
12.14 meter per second. Very good. Whoever got this answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the
ma'am, what
seventh
is the
question?
seventh one's answer?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell me what's the seventh one's answer?
I'm doing. This is the answer, Nitin.
Yeah, ma'am, I got that.
Can you scroll down?
Ma'am, I didn't write the seventh question. Can you scroll up? Just the question. Thank you, ma'am. Just a second.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Just a second. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the ninth one 1.7 meter per second?
Let me check. I'm not solved. I don't have solutions of this. 3 into 3.
Ma'am, is it 1.95 meter?
By the way, what's the answer you got?
1.7.
No.
Ma'am, I got 1.95.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I got
1.9.
Even I got 1.95 only, ma'am.
Yeah,
Meter per second.
1.95 meter per second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Log out and log in again.
Ma'am, it's written Sapiens Education. I started screen sharing. Ma'am, I can't see anything else.
That's what I told you. Log off and log in again.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we start the 10th one?
Yes.
Ma'am, ninth one was the answer.
Ninth one is 1.95.
Ma'am, I got the 10th answer.
You got so fast?
Yes, ma'am, I got it as 0.26 meter per
0.26. I don't think so. Wait, let me do. I'm doing.
Ma'am, we should question right?
Right, the given things only.
Yes, ma'am, because writing this.
No, it's not coming 0 point.
Ma'am, is it 5.47?
No. What's the this is Rajshri? What's the answer you got?
Ma'am, 0.26.
Yes, it's right.
Ma'am, I got it as 30 by 115, something like that, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you solve the 10th one?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Like if 30 by 115, if you like we have, if we convert it into decimal form, will be like 1.26 only, ma'am.
Yes. It's not 1.26.
Ma'am, no,
0.26.
not 1.2.
Now,
Yes,
can
ma'am,
you
0.2.
do the solve
Ma'am,
the
the
10th one?
velocity given in the 10th question, it is initial velocity. Is the initial velocity,
Yes,
right?
they are moving in the initially.
Okay, ma'am.
In which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? So that means they have moved together. So they have dashed each other, but along with that entangling, their legs mix with each other and they moved with certain velocity and then fall down. So how much velocity they have moved, that you have to calculate. So that means their common velocity you have to calculate. But the thing is, one important part is here. One has a mass of 60 kg, was moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, while the other has a mass of 55 kg, was moving faster with a velocity of 66 meter per second towards the first player. That means both are moving opposite to each other. So that means one's velocity is positive, second's velocity is negative.
Ma'am, I got some different answers.
Here M1 60, U1 5, M2 55, U2 minus 6. And then solve.
V? We have to find V, right?
V, yeah. Both of them has the same velocity.
Okay, ma'am. You have to consider either 5 or 6 as negative, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm getting 0.26.
That's right. So both are moving in opposite direction. So one's velocity is positive, second's velocity will be negative. Remember that always.
Ma'am, can you please solve it?
Ma'am, I
Not
got it,
write
ma'am.
the answer.
Why, Ritvi? Just now I told you M1, U1, and V1 values.
Yes, ma'am.
Then substitute
Right.
it. What you are getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting 3.26 and then it continues.
Why 3.26? What you have done calculation? Tell me.
Ma'am, 1 second. I'll just do it once again.
Ma'am, I'm coming correct, ma'am. Like when you divide 30 by 115, it's coming 0.26.
Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I asked.
Ma'am, I got that.
Ma'am, are there any more questions?
Yes.
Ma'am, M2 and U2 should be 55 and -6 respectively, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just a second.
Good evening, ma'am.
Uncle, 7 o'clock class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in this one, numericals. Fifth one. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, should we do it right now?
Yes, right now.
Should we write the question?
No, it is NCRT. It is NCRT textbook.
Next class will be biology.
First, we will finish this questions. Yeah, these many questions are there. These are all questions we are solving. Fifth one right now start.
So when should we finish this by?
By next class. We are doing in the class.
Ma'am, like all of them?
Yes.
Okay.
A truck starts from rest, rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Find its acceleration. Find the force acting on it if its mass is 7 tons.
Ma'am, we can use the equation of motion.
You have to use it. Without that, you cannot find it. You have to calculate acceleration. It is starting from rest. Distance covered is 400 meters and 20 seconds is the time period. Which equation we can use it here?
S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square.
Yes.
S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square.
U is equal to 0. S is equal to 400 meters. Time is equal to
400
20
meters
seconds.
and time is equal to 20 seconds.
Now I'm getting 14,000.
Yes, ma'am. 14,000 Newton. Even I got 14,000 Newton. Is it correct, ma'am?
I'm solving, I think so. A is equal to 2 meter per second square. And then 7 tons. 1 ton is 1000 kg. So 7 ton is 7,000. 7,000.
Ma'am, 14,000 newtons.
14,000 newtons is the answer. Next question.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Yeah. A stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of a lake and comes to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meters. What is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? So 20 meter per second is whose value?
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity. U is equal to 20 meter
20
per
meters
second.
per second.
It comes to rest. That
V
means
is equal to 0.
V is equal to 0 meter per second.
And the distance of 50 meter. So S is equal to 50 meter. So use equation of motion to get the value of acceleration.
Ma'am, we have to use V square is equal to U square plus 2AS.
Right. Find the value.
Ma'am, acceleration is minus 8 meters per second square.
Minus 8. Huh? No, it's 4.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Minus 8, ma'am.
Ma'am, minus 4 means it will be
Minus 4 meter per second square.
retardation. Yes.
Ma'am, it's minus 4 meter per second square.
Yeah.
No, it's minus 4.
And force is equal to 4 Newton.
I'm getting A is minus 8 meters per second square.
Retardation. What is the formula?
Ma'am, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS.
2AS, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not multiplied with 2.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, how did you find the force of friction, ma'am, for this?
Whatever the force you are applying, the equal force will be frictional force.
Okay.
Whatever the force you are getting here, that is a frictional force. That's the reason it is stopped.
Ma'am, is it minus 4 newtons?
Yes.
Newton.
7th one.
Ma'am, can you do the 7th one? I'm not understanding it, ma'am.
What's the question told?
Ma'am?
What's the question told? Read the question
Question
carefully.
told that 800
Read carefully, don't shout.
Okay.
You are shouting. It is a one engine is pulling 5 wagons. There is a 5 bogies behind it. Each of the mass 2000 kg. So what is the total mass it is moved?
Total mass is 8,000 plus 10,000, 18,000
Of
kgs.
the train is
18,000 kg it is moved. The engine is exerting a force of 40,000. Out of that, the 5,000 is the frictional force. So what is the total force acting on this? On the
35,000 newtons.
Yes, ma'am. 40,000 minus 5,000.
40,000 is one direction. Frictional force is in opposite direction, so minus 5,000. So 40,000 minus 5,000, that is 35,000 Newton is the total accelerating force. And then acceleration. So force is 35,000 and the mass is 18,000. So acceleration is equal to F by M. 35,000 by 18,000.
35 by 18.
Yeah, find out that.
It's 1.94 meter per
Can
second.
you repeat it once again,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am?
1.94.
1.94 meter
Why
per
you
second
are
square.
shouting this much?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, the net accelerating force and the acceleration of the train are the same, right?
Accelerating force.
Force.
It is a force which is 40,000 minus 5,000.
Okay.
That is equal to 35,000 Newton. And F is equal to M into A. F is 35,000. Mass is 18,000 into A. So A is equal to 35,000 by 18,000. 35 by 18, 1.9 something. I don't know what exactly.
Ma'am, I got one. Ma'am, so what will be acceleration? 40,000 you have to take as F.
1.94 meter per second square.
Ma'am, so acceleration we have to take it as for acceleration force should be 40,000 newtons.
Why accelerating? Accelerating force, it is a force, total force.
No, ma'am, for B, so you have
B
to
is
take.
acceleration, 35,000 is the force divided by mass is 18,000.
Okay, same thing as A.
Eighth one you can solve. What's the eighth answer? What happened? What's the answer of eighth?
Ma'am, the eighth answer is minus 4,550 newtons.
4,550.
Ma'am, I got minus 1,550, ma'am.
I got minus 2,550 Newton.
Ma'am, minus 2,050. Minus 2,550.
Ma'am, minus 2,550, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
50.
2550.
The negative sign
Minus
shows the
sign.
force being in
Minus
opposite
sign
direction.
is in opposite. Frictional force, it is minus. Ninth answer.
Yes, ma'am.
In eighth one, directly mass into acceleration. Acceleration is negative. Acceleration is negative minus 1.7. Mass is 1500. So 1500.
Ma'am, Newton's second law, no, ma'am.
Sahil, I'm explaining. No, please wait.
Okay.
Here mass is 1500 kg, acceleration is minus 1.7 meter per second square. So directly force they have asked, and this is frictional force because it is the object has been stopped. So therefore it is mass into acceleration 1500 into 1.7. That is negative answer because it is negative acceleration because the object has retarded. So that will come minus 2550 Newton. What is the momentum of the object of mass m moving with a velocity v? Momentum is mass into velocity, so mv.
MV.
Using a horizontal force of 200 Newton, we intend to move a wooden cabinet across a floor at a constant velocity. What is the frictional force that will be exerted on the cabinet?
Minus 200 newtons.
Yes, what's the answer?
Ma'am, minus 200 newtons.
Why?
Ma'am, because the force you are applying, the ground will also apply back on it.
Yes, so frictional force, it is exactly equal and opposite force get applied.
Yes, ma'am.
When we are pushing an object with a 200 Newton, the equal amount of force will get applied. by
Minus
the
200
force,
Newton.
that is minus 200 Newtons. Okay. Then 11th onwards, we will do the questions in the next class.
Okay.
11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16. Till 16. 18 also, not 17. And these questions. A2, A3, A4. Okay. We can leave now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in